Alright, so I had to prove the angle A right here is congruent to angle C right there. So I was given that angle A is complementary to this angle D right here, which means they add to 90 degrees, and the angle C right here is complementary to CDB right here, so they also add to 90 degrees. So if you add, like I said, if you add the measure of angle A right here to the measure of angle ADB right here, they equal 90 degrees, and the same thing with the measure of angle C and the measure of angle CDB, they equal 90 degrees as well. So if you take that information and right here the measure of angle ADB equaling the measure of angle CDB, which is shown in the drawing, and then measure of angle A plus the measure of angle CDB equals the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle ADB. So you can do that because of substitution. Originally you just have this, but you can, since these are equal to each other, you can substitute the CDB in for the ADB, and these both equal 90 degrees, so that's true statement right there. And then you can do the same thing with the measure of angle C, putting it plus CDB and plus ADB is the same thing. They're both 90 degrees, and then you can substitute one of the C's or one of the A's for an A or C. So you can have measure of angle A plus measure of angle CDB equals the measure of angle C plus the measure of angle CDB. And then if you cancel out your measure of angle CDB, you're left with the measure of angle A is equal to the measure of angle C right there. And then you bring that back to what you were originally supposed to prove, which is angle A is congruent to angle C. Alright, stop it.